Hello guys, how are you? In this video, we will show you how to text character into speech. So here is the result. So I am showing you algorithm. Uh, TK is the Python library. So we also use to do playsound library. So then also use gTTS library. Here is our simple panel, width and height, so you can edit yourself. So I am updating his width. So here is my title name. Here is the root, color combination, also mentioning the mp3 video voice format mp3. So you can also change the format of uh, voice. I will show you how to run. So I am already going to the YouTube directory. My file name is text to speech. So you can see simple Python text to speech.py. So I am just uh, uploading the some titles. I am going to the my channel side and here simply copy text. So paste here. So what is the getting somewhere API to? Okay, here I am changing from. No, it's not the. This error is so strange. Let me check again. I'm running this algorithm. What is error? It's okay. Okay. So let me check from here. I think it's format error. Let's check again. Simply hello Pyresearch channel.